Hello, hello, hello. Hi, y'all. Welcome back to Goddess Money. Here we do savings challenges and um, just documenting my new journey with my personal finances and cash stuff and whatnot. Let's see. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. If y'all didn't know, I am what they call overemployed. Go ahead and do your Googles if you haven't heard of that. But I did receive my last paycheck for 7/31, July 31st. From one of my employers, so we're gonna go ahead and cash stuff $995 into some savings challenges here. Side note, sorry for the wonky setup. I am currently revamping my office space, so I have stuff everywhere, as you can see in the background. I said I'm gonna stick to this and commit to, recommit myself to documenting my financial journey here on YouTube. So rain, sleet, or snow, I am recommitted, and regardless, even if things aren't so pretty and aesthetically pleasing, at least it's authentic. So hey, and I'm keeping up my promise to myself. So hey. All right. Maybe next time when y'all tune in, everything will be set up how I want it. So, like I said, July 31st paycheck. We're gonna cash stuff $995. I think I should explain the reason for my overemployment. Number one, I'm trying to knock out debt. And number two, rebuild my savings. Number three, which is most importantly, I'm preparing to purchase a home. Hopefully in 2025. That is my goal. That is my plan. That's the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. So in order to speed that process up, I decided to pick up some extra job and work to make some, double the money. One paycheck I use is for bills. It's strictly for bills. If I happen to have anything left over, I either go ahead and just throw it into my savings, my emergency fund savings, or if depending on how the month looks, I might just go ahead and stuff it for my savings challenges. But that's my bi-weekly paycheck. This is my semi-monthly paycheck, and my semi-monthly paycheck is strictly for debt and savings. So I have one check for my bills bi-weekly, and my semi-monthly check is for debt and savings. Majority of that goes to clearing my credit card debt, which I did promise I was going to start tracking and showing y'all here. My printer, my poor little printer, I've had her for a couple of years. She went out on me, so I'm gonna have to buy a new printer. If y'all know anybody, maybe on Etsy, that sells and ships their printed trackers, some cute little trackers, specifically for debt payoff, let me know, and I'm more than willing to support them, especially, with my printer being out. So, like I said, majority of that paycheck goes to clearing some credit card debt that I have, and the other portion goes to savings. So today what we're stuffing is $995. So let's go ahead and count that out. 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, is what we are going to contribute to our savings challenges today. We're going to start with my rainy day challenge here in the back of my binder. Whew. I feel so frazzled because everything, when things are not orderly, how you feel like uneasy and anxious, but you still have to keep it on with your routine. Yeah, that's how I feel right now. So just bear with me, y'all. I apologize. I usually have a cleaner, better setup. It's awkward, pivoted. I don't like it, but I'm gonna keep on. So for my rainy day savings challenge, it looks like we have 3 $40 spots left and 3 $30 spots left. So that's 70 times 3. Let's see here. 70 times 3. So we are stuffing $210, and that will complete my rainy day challenge. So let me go ahead and this is it. And I ordered some cute little colored markers from Temu, but they're not gonna get here till mid. They're not gonna get here till about mid. I was gonna say mid-August, but that's this month, the middle of this month. I'm just trying to zoom in so y'all can see, but so 40. The challenge here, my rainy day savings, and we're gonna add 1, 2, and 10, 100, 210, get into the challenge. So let's count it out. 1, 2, 300. 50, 450, 550, 650, 750, 800, 2, 4, 6, 8, 900, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, $1,000 in our rainy day challenge that we completed here. Again, this challenge, I enjoyed it. You can find this Shonversation on Etsy. Shonversation, I believe, is SHON Versation. I love her Etsy shop. She has some of the cutest things. Like, she makes the cutest things to me. So, and every time I order from her, she always throws in a little gift. And this isn't even what I ordered from her. This was a gift. This was a cute little freebie she gave. From when I ordered one of the other savings challenges that I'm doing, which is the travel scratch off. We'll be stuffing that today. But check her out. I like her stuff a lot. Alright, so we're complete with this challenge. $1,000 saved. So heavy. This is going to be going toward I know I said I wanted to do 500 to my car maintenance fund and maybe 500 into my emergency fund as well. Not sure how I'm going to divvy that up, so I'm just going to keep it here while I think about it. 9 times out of 10, that's where it's going. Alright, let's move on. We're going to move on to let's move on to our $10 challenge here. So for the $10 challenge, we're going to be adding in $300. So 1, 2, 3. I decided to go with large bills instead of $10 bills, just for the sake of maintaining the integrity of this little pouch here. Again, I got this from Conversation on Etsy. I love it. So $300 we're adding in. So let's see. Let me scratch this off first and we'll count in a second. So $300 into the $10 challenge. That is, okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $300. We're almost complete. So it looks like we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100. So let's go ahead and count it up. Should be $500 here. 1, 2, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $500. Alright, and if y'all remember, the money from this savings challenge is going to go toward money. Oh, money is going to go toward money. It's going to go toward the rewards that I give myself as I'm going through my weight loss journey. Oh, by the way, I met my goal for July. I lost 10 pounds in July. My ultimate goal is to lose 100 pounds by the end of first quarter of 2025. Oops, excuse me. So, I think it's like every 15 pounds. I forgot how I sorted it out, but I'll show you guys because I have like a fitness tracker, weight loss tracker as well, fat loss tracker as well. But I'm going to, I guess if you say milestone with my fat loss, I'm going to reward myself. So this challenge here, $600, is going to reward for two different rewards for 2 months of fat loss. So I believe the month of August, I'm challenging myself to lose 15 pounds, and when I lose 15 pounds, I get to treat myself to a makeup class. So the ones that I priced are like $300, $350. So the money from here is going to go towards that. Hopefully I can find something cheaper, so maybe I can pay for the makeup class and then also buy some new makeup, because the reason being for that is because I want to, along with losing weight, I also want to change up my look as far as makeup. So I want to sit down with somebody one-on-one. I know they do it at some of the makeup stores, so maybe I'll look into it. I believe those are pretty cheap, like $100 or so. Maybe I'll look into that. But I want to learn my new look, and I want somebody to sit with me and play in makeup and I want to relearn makeup, so this is gonna help fund that. All right. So that was the $10 challenge. Now we're gonna move on to so many stores, so little time. Again, Miss Conversation on Etsy. I love this. Like I said, she makes some really pretty things. So in this challenge, we are stuffing $225. Each little icon is worth 15. You can see that. I'm sorry for the glare, y'all. Again, my setup is just so unsatisfying. I apologize. So each icon is worth $15. So 225 divided by 15 equals 15 icons that we will be marking off today. So okay, hopefully that's a little better. All right, so we'll be marking off 15 icons here. Let's see. 5, 10. So that's 5, 10, 15. So that's 3 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That I'll be marking in. Actually, let me do this just for the sake of time. Let me just mark them like this. Can't wait for my markers to come in from Team. Alright, 5, 10, 15. 15 times 15 is $225. Let's pull that out. That is so ugly. You don't see that? That ink on it. 100, 200, 20, and 5. 200, 25. I'm gonna add that in. So let's see what we have. Now that we've added in 225, let's see what we have. 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 320, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, $375. All right, and so for this challenge, this is also going toward rewarding myself. This is going to be like this one in particular. I have to find my notepad because I have it written down. But this savings challenge is going to go toward the reward for when I hit the landmark. When I guess you could call it a landmark, if you will, fat loss landmark. I believe 50 pounds. So once I hit the 50-pound mark, I'm gonna go buy myself a designer bag. Probably gonna be a Coach bag because I am a Coach girly. They have great. I'm loving Coach and their new designs. So I'm gonna put this. Once I reach that goal, I'm gonna put this money toward the designer bag. So for all of these challenges also, this money is going to sit in my high yield savings account until I actually reach the goal. Yeah, that's what it's for. It's going to sit there until I reach the goal. So at least it can collect a good amount of interest while we're waiting on me to reach my goals. All right, so that's it for so many stores, so little time. And now we are on to the travel savings, scratch off savings challenge. And I know I asked y'all last time to pick which scratch off I was going to do next, but I went ahead and chose one, and I went ahead and scratched it off so I would know the amount that I needed at the bank. Because last time I did scratch off, and I was almost a bust. I almost ran out of money. So I went ahead and selected, if you can tell by the background, Las Vegas is so pretty, and I went ahead and scratched off some of the places, um, and that came to a total of $160. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that. 100, 246. So 120, 60. I still have $100 bill. Oh, I know what that's for. Never mind. I know what that's for. I thought I made a mistake. Alright. So $160 added to our scratch off. Now we have 100, 200, 50, 300, 2, 4, 6, 8, 400, 20, 400, 40, 50, $460 in our travel savings, scratch off savings challenge. And we're gonna go ahead, and I'm gonna go ahead rather and scratch off the last remaining. I apologize again, you guys. This angle is not my regular angle, but until I get my new desk all situated, this is what I have to do. Okay. Alright, so we're going to scratch off the last remaining two. For this card, we finished the last card. I believe that was Atlanta. That one gave us 300. This is going to give us a total of 250 from this card. So let's see what the last two we're scratching off. I'm going to add it up and write it down. So that's what we're going to be. Adding to the challenge. One of the next paychecks. So let's see what we have here. All right. So we have $50 here. $50. And the very last icon is $40. Alright, so we scratched off 50 and 40, so that gives us $90 that we'll be stuffing next time. So I'm going to write that down. Stick this back in here so I remember. $90. So what we have left here, first things first, I have some envelopes here to signify the savings that I've been doing during my hiatus from YouTube. So this first pouch here is my general savings, and it has three $1,000 placeholders in here, and that symbolizes $3,000 that I have in the bank in my general savings. While I'm in the process of, stacking up big, this is just to cover me for just small incidentals. Hey, maybe I need bail money. Just kidding. But small incidentals. Now this is my car maintenance. I paid, March of this year. I got a very big annual bonus, so I went ahead and paid off my car. This was the start of what triggered me to jump on the ball, get the ball rolling, to clear majority of my debt, mainly just credit cards and my car. So I paid off my car one fell swoop. Like, I know people say you should, attack your the debt with the highest interest rate, and I agree. But for me, paying off my car was really important to me, just because, hey, it's something tangible. It's my car. I needed to get it. It's a necessity for me. I needed to get around. So I own that now. So I wanted to build up a car maintenance emergency fund, if you will, to cover deductible and whatever like repairs that it might need. So I have $500 in my savings now, and from the rainy day challenge, I'll be adding 500 more. But I'm not sure what I want to do with the other 500, so we're gonna wait on that. But yeah, I'll be adding that there. So once I put it in the bank, I'll put another placeholder in here, and that will reach my goal of $1,000 for car maintenance emergency fund. So happy about that. But so for my regular emergency fund, my general emergency fund, aka my FU money, I added from my semi-monthly paycheck, I added $500 for July 31st. $500 was added, so I have $1,000 there. So I'm going to remove this $500 placeholder and add in this pretty placeholder of $1,000. I should take some screenshots and add them in these videos so y'all can see, the actual money, the funds that are in my accounts. Not that I care if people think that I'm lying, because I have no reason to, but this is for me and documenting my journey. So I'm gonna add in some screenshots so y'all can see. But I reached $1,000 in my emergency fund. So between my car emergency fund, my general savings, and now this $1,000 in my regular emergency fund, I have currently I have $4,500 in savings. So happy about that. I earned it. I've been busting my butt, y'all.